Summer gardening tips to beat the heat. Is your garden wilting under the summer sun? Don't let the heat ruin your hard work. Learn how to keep your plants thriving with these essential summer gardening tips. Summer presents unique challenges for gardeners. High temperatures, intense sunlight, and potential water scarcity can stress plants. Adapting your gardening practices is crucial for success. Understanding these challenges allows you to proactively protect your garden. Watering is paramount during the summer months, but it's not just about how much you water, but when and how you do it. Water deeply and less frequently. This encourages deep root growth, making plants more resilient. Water early in the morning or late in the evening. This minimizes water loss through evaporation. Consider using soaker hoses or drip irrigation. These methods deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste. Mulch is your garden's best friend in the summer. It acts as a protective barrier against the harsh sun. Mulch helps retain soil moisture. This reduces the need for frequent watering. It also suppresses weeds. Weeds compete with your plants for valuable resources. Use organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. These also enrich the soil as they decompose. Some plants need a break from the intense summer sun. Providing shade can make a big difference. Use shade cloth to protect sensitive plants. This is especially helpful for leafy greens and delicate flowers. Plant taller plants to provide natural shade for smaller ones. This creates a layered garden ecosystem. Consider using temporary structures like umbrellas or trellises. These offer flexible shade options. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Summer heat can deplete soil nutrients. Amend your soil with compost and other organic matter. This improves drainage and nutrient retention. Avoid tilling the soil excessively. Tilling can disrupt the soil structure and release moisture. Consider using cover crops in the off-season. These help improve soil health and prevent erosion. Summer heat can also bring an increase in pests and diseases. Vigilance is key to protecting your plants. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of infestation or disease. Early detection is crucial. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible. These are safer for your plants, your family, and the environment. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. They help control pest populations naturally. Ensure good air circulation around your plants. This helps prevent fungal diseases. Regular harvesting encourages continued production. Don't let your vegetables and fruits over-ripen on the vine. Harvest in the morning when temperatures are cooler. This helps preserve the freshness and flavor of your produce. Remove any damaged or diseased produce promptly. This prevents the spread of problems to other plants. Selecting heat-tolerant plants is essential for summer gardening success. Some plants thrive in the heat. Consider planting vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant. These love the warm weather. Choose flowers like zinnias, sunflowers, and marigolds. These add color and beauty to your garden. Research the specific needs of each plant. This ensures you provide the right conditions for optimal growth. Don't let the summer heat intimidate you. With these tips, you can keep your garden thriving all season long. Now it's your turn to take action. Start by assessing your garden's current needs. Then implement these strategies to protect your plants from the heat. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts and leave a comment below about your biggest summer gardening challenge. Let's grow together.